Here's the last question of the day, and it's who makes your favorite French fry? And then I'll give them a list. Guess which one I chose. And sir, Burger King? Really? You're a Burger King? Well, yeah, because in the 70s, you're either McDonald's or Burger King. There was no New York fries, there's no all of that stuff. Maple Leaf or a Habs fan, it's either one or the other. My name is Carmine Spadafora. I've been with Humber since 2016, teaching in the Police Foundation's diploma program. I'm very active. I try to keep myself balanced physically, mentally, and emotionally, and part of that for me has always been being physically active. So I'm actually an Ontario certified teacher, believe it or not, in math and science. I taught for a year and I decided to go into a not-for-profit environment supporting adult males that have had conflict with the law. At that point in my life, it was important for me to have a real direct contact with the most vulnerable in our communities. The learning experience needs to be current. So I've always felt that bringing in that individual either had the direct experience in the justice system or that career professional in that environment was really important for me. My simple question to you is, what does International Women's Day mean to me? You know, I'm learning that the more I diversify with the different learning technologies, the better impact it has on the learning experience. When you're talking engagement, ED Puzzle and Socrative learning tools have worked for me and my students. There's not a day or a session that I don't greet my students with just that sense of support, but also wanting to hear from them, sharing some great news about things that are going on in my life, just to set a bar for them that learning online can be exciting and it could be engaging.